women.
Ovulatory disorders are one of the most common reasons why women are unable to conceive, and account for 30% of women's infertility. The causes of failed ovulation can be categorized as follows. Fortunately, approximately 70% of these cases can be successfully treated by the use of drugs such as clomiphene and Menogon, Repronex. Hormonal problems. These are the most common causes of anovulation. The process of ovulation depends upon a complex balance of hormones and their interactions to be successful, and any disruption in this process can hinder ovulation. Scarred ovaries. Physical damage to the ovaries may result in failed ovulation, for example, extensive, invasive, or multiple surgeries. For repeated ovarian cysts may cause the capsule of the ovary to become damaged or scarred, such that follicles cannot mature properly and ovulation does not occur. Premature menopause. This presents a rare and as of yet unexplainable cause of anovulation. Some women cease menstruation and begin menopause before normal age. It is hypothesized that their natural supply of eggs has been depleted, or that the majority of cases occur in extremely athletic women with a long history of low body weight and extensive exercise.